Hi, I'm Amanda Perna at The Amanda Perna, and today I'm going to show you how to make this no-sew knotted headband using Beacon Fabri-Tac glue. So what you need to do this, of course, you need your glue, you need a pair of sharp scissors, you need a headband. You can skip a step if you have a covered headband, but if not, a plastic plain one will do. And you need one 24x6 piece of fabric, one 24x2 piece of fabric, and two 2x2 pieces of fabric. Okay, glue that in there, stick it on, and now you have your knot headband. Once you're finished, let it dry for 24 hours and then it's ready to go. Voila! I'm Amanda Perna at The Amanda Perna. Thanks for watching. Bonus! So if you're like me and you like to make things even more fun, we are going to add Swarovski crystals to the headband that we just made. So the first thing that we need, once again, is our Beacon Fabri-Tac glue. You need a wax stick. Well, you don't need it, but I just prefer it. You need your crystals, and I actually like to glue crystals using the head of a pin. I just think it makes it easier to put the glue on. So I want to use the bright crystals. So how I like to do this is I like to squeeze the top. You get a little bit of glue on the top, but not too much. And you're gonna stick it to the back of your crystal. You might get a little on your hands, just be warned. And then you're gonna put your pin down and you're gonna start adding it. Since I have a little floral pattern on mine, I'm gonna put them in the middle of flowers. But you can do it any pattern that you like depending on what your fabric is. So once again, we're gonna give it a little squeeze. Sometimes you have to turn upside down so you can go down. There we go. So I added a little bit of sparkle just to make it extra fun and special. There you have it. That is your bonus. I'm Amanda Perna at The Amanda Perna. Thanks for watching.